Just over 2 years ago, I started growing an avocado seed using the water and toothpick method. We named it Norbert. Norbert grew lots of roots, but never grew a shoot, and it died. Then, a year ago, I started a number of seeds, but due to the cold, long-term storage in the fridge, and me not changing the water frequently enough, they all died. And then, 6 months ago, I started a fresh batch of seeds, and today, something very exciting has happened, and I have something to report. Hello and welcome back to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree, the channel on which I am attempting to grow an avocado tree from seed to the point of bearing fruit whilst documenting the process. And yes, I've had a couple of failed attempts over the last 2 years of this YouTube channel, but I will persist. Let's check in on how the seeds are doing. Some of the seeds, my tiny organic garden and I turn into a plant lady, are dead. They have turned a very dark brown colour and have begun rotting. It is unfortunately time to discard these seeds. They are dead and they won't grow. Just as well, I started multiple seeds. A couple of the seeds are showing some signs of life now, which is very exciting. Shy la 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 la, whilst despite growing a lot of algae in the cup, even though I'm doing frequent water changes, has a root. It's growing well and I'm excited to see where it goes. Fox FDL Official also has a root, and if you look carefully, a shoot developing inside the seed. Look at that embryo there. I'm going to leave it in water so that the root is submerged, but that shoot isn't. Tim Huddleston isn't doing much yet, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But the seed, named I Am Mrs. Jacobs 3, who had grown a root, which then part of it broke off and wasn't looking terribly hopeful, has finally and conclusively grown a shoot. Yes, after 2 years of documenting a number of seeds here on this YouTube channel, I am very excited to report that finally I have an avocado tree, albeit very, very short. But this tree is growing and I am eager to continue to watch it. Thank you for tuning in once again to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Please let me know what you thought of this video with the like button and in the comments below. I'd love to see some avocado emoji to celebrate the fact that we now have an avocado tree on our hands. Please make sure you subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree with notifications turned on so as to not miss any future avocado updates. Thanks once again for watching and I'll see you next time.